Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Owusua. It is always a pleasure to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so very much. I am grateful. Yes my dear, so today we are making this simple delicious egg fried rice. I'm sharing with you a simple tip to get your eggs really chunky, just like the one you are seeing. You would absolutely love this recipe. So come on in and let's make this. Let me share with you how I chop up my onions to ensure my eggs are chunky and really fluffy. So I slice them thinly just like this, and afterwards I go ahead and separate them. The next thing is we'll be chopping up some green pepper, the greener part, into fine chops as well, and then we go ahead and crack some eggs. I'm using 4 eggs. I'm making a quick lunch for 2, so yes, I used only 4 eggs, yet it appears to be so much and so chunky. I went ahead and added the spring onions, and I'm giving it a nice whip up. Yes, so whip it for a bit, for about a minute or 2, and it is okay. I just added some coconut oil, and with that I have added our thinly sliced onions. You want to spread them just so it occupies the surface of your pan. When I'm making my chunky fried rice, I normally go for a pan with a wider surface just like this, so I'll be able to spread out both the onions and the eggs. So I am whipping up my eggs now and spread them all across. If today is your first time visiting, please do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel and also activating your bell icon, so every time I upload a video you would be notified. Wait for the eggs to fry for a bit but not completely, and then go in with your spoon and push them backwards just like so to make the back fluffy and to allow the runny ones to cook as well. After that, you want to turn your eggs upside down and then immediately push them aside onto one side. Now you realize that even with 4 eggs, because we mixed it with spring onions and we fried them with a lot of onions spread all across, it has really gained a lot of volume. And to cook the perfect rice, I added some vegetable seasonings with coconut oil and cooked it. This rice, it tastes delicious even on its own. Once the rice was done, I scooped some onto the other side of our chunky fried eggs, and I'm going to share with you 4 basic seasonings that is so good with egg fried rice. So I just added bouillon powder, black pepper, a little bit of salt and butter. Please do try this combination and you would absolutely love the outcome. Afterwards, stir everything together. Make sure it is really stirred but without breaking those chunky eggs, and it is ready to be served. And it was so good. You can serve this with some salad or on its own with shito. It is so delicious. Just imagine coming home to this for lunch or for dinner with some side salad. It would go down a treat, I promise. Do give this video a thumbs up, try the recipe, and you would absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for liking the video, and I will see you in my next upload. Until then, take care my darling. Bye bye.